What's up, everybody? It's Ty with Montana Outlaw BBQ coming back at you with another episode here on YouTube. Today, we're cooking steaks. Tuna steaks. So sushi is one of my favorite things to go out and eat, so I want to bring a little bit of that at home, but I want to cook it outside. So we're going to utilize a Blackstone today, and we're going to be cooking these nice thick tuna steaks. Traditionally, I would just olive oil with a little bit of toasted sesame seeds on top, and that's it. Very plain, very simple. Maybe add in a little salt and pepper if you want in that scenario. A buddy of mine told me I gotta try it with everything bagel seasoning. So because this has all the flavoring that we need in it today, this is all we're gonna use. Hit it with a little olive oil, top it with this, 2 to 3 minutes aside on the Blackstone, serve it up with a little soy sauce and wasabi, and you got a really good weeknight meal. So step one, we just put a little bit of olive oil down as a binder. Traditionally, like I say, if I was just using sesame seeds, I would be adding a little base of salt and pepper right now, but because this has it all in there, we don't need to do that. We tap that in. We already olive oiled our sides. We'll go ahead and hit that. Get a nice coat all the way around. Flip it over. Same thing on this side. A little dash of olive oil. From here, we're gonna get the Blackstone nice and hot, put down just a little bit of olive oil on the Blackstone. You don't need to let these rest. Don't need to wait too long. They're ready to hit the grill. Okay, those are gonna be on there just like that for like 2 minutes per side. Really important not to overcook them. We got our steaks off of the Blackstone now. We got the Blackstone really, really hot, so we ended up doing 1.5 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other side with them. They should be still pink in the middle. Should be really, really good. We got a plate over here ready to go. So let's go ahead and get to slicing. Always want to use a really good, nice, sharp knife when you're slicing this up. We'll set this one aside to start with. We'll go with this guy right here. Slice down through it, and we should see some nice pink all the way through on that. Go about a number 2 pencil thick. You can see that color carries all the way through. I can tell you that everything bagel seasoning on here smells incredible. Can't wait to try it. You can see it's still nice and pink even down here on the thinner edge. Cooked perfectly. So we'll take an end piece here. I like that everything bagel seasoning on there. It doesn't overpower the fish, so you get still that good tuna flavor out of it. Yeah, really good. I'm excited to try it with a little soy sauce and wasabi and show you how I would plate this for guests if they were coming over. I would just take this. You don't need to do the whole steak. You can just start to layer that in there. So start with your longest piece. What I really love about Asian cuisine is their attention to detail and how their food almost takes on an art and presentation. I'm definitely not at that level by any means, but I do like to try and honor that style of cuisine when I do this type of cooking. And that right there is how I would present a dish for guests. We love we eat sushi all the time at home. We eat this sort of thing, so we always like to have on hand some nice chopsticks. Highly recommend you get some nice chopsticks. They're easy, they're washable, keep them around forever. Sharp knives. For those that are watching this video, just so you know, we have to like stop and pause for social media, and so I have to sit here and smell it for minutes before I actually get to like try a piece how it's meant to try. So just so you know, it's not like we get to try it all at once. Anyway, welcome back. Let's dig in and try this. This has been a fun video to make. Like I say, I love Asian cuisine. I love everything about it. I love the beauty and how they put it together, the colors, the brightness, the richness. I'm glad I was able to do this for you. I hope you guys give it a try. Blackstone products, everything bagel seasoning, a little wasabi paste. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Get a little wasabi on here. And now you get to see me try and operate it. Little dunk in the soy sauce. Yeah. The sesame seeds might be the traditional way to do it, but I'm gonna tell you right now, yeah, you gotta try the everything seasoning on it. It's got the onion, the garlic, the poppy seed, it's got the, man, it's so many flavors going on right now. It's awesome. I would highly recommend it. Definitely got to try it. The wasabi burn's still getting me a little bit, so give it a try. Super easy, super fast, weeknight meal. Go down, pick yourself up some tuna steaks, 2 minutes aside, tops in a hot skillet. Do it inside, do it in a cast iron skillet. Don't have to have a Blackstone, but do, if you can, cook it outside. It just makes a world of difference. So easy, so fast. I'm gonna keep eating this. Again, this is Ty with Montana Outlaw BBQ. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you check out all of our social media from Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all of them. Heck, we may even get on TikTok, so stay tuned. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe button. We're here to help you elevate your cooking, and we're having fun doing it, so thank you for tuning in. And this is Ty with Montana Outlaw BBQ. We'll see you next time.